What's up guys, it's me again and welcome to a new game, so White Noise. Horror game, first horror game I've done in this channel, ever. So, should we do online? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a baby by its toe if it squeals, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, start game. Random location. I don't want 51, that's area 51. That's like the hardest level. I don't want to do a random location. I think the Founder's Hall? I don't know. Let's go for the Founder's Hall. We want to be... It's like Velma. Hey Velma, what's up? Well, the smart dude. Smart girl. Oh. Hang on a minute. Let's do this online. I like online better. Quick join. I feel like online is better. Oh, I don't want to... character. Right. I'm a bit dumb. Yes, good flashlight. I think I have a lot of health, so let's do it, I'm ready. How do you see? Right, we're starting the game. Right. It's a bit like Slender, this game, so let us start. Dude. Right, we've got to find all the recorders. I think there's 8 tape recorders. Guys. I'm following whoever goes first. It's a bit fuzzy, you'll realise that. We're following this dude, because he's like the host. Oh, don't look at that, don't look at that. That's like one of the monsters. So don't look at that, otherwise he could be captured. Oh. We can hear a tape recorder. Someone get it, someone get it. Yeah? It's up here. Oh, I got it, I got it. Code is going down 1110 to 2210. Oh my god, I'm panting like a... Oh, there's him again. See, dude, I'm just going to this pond where everybody is. Oh god. I played this game before, but I've not recorded it. I played it a long time ago. Oh, we got another one. Alright, 2 out of 8. That's good, that's good. Alright, this is where it starts to get a little bit up on the road. Alright, we need to follow her. If you die, you become a ghost. The other people, I think, can see you. But I think you can't see them. Alright, we're left alone, and that dude... Oh. I think there might be one here in the slaughterhouse. There's one. There. Yeah, we got 3 out of 8. Come on, we're on a roll. Is it a log? I don't know, it looks more like a slaughterhouse. Oh, there's that dude again, he teleported. Oh, creepy thing. It's that statue, he teleports. It's not just a statue that kills you. It's a really weird, big, black, creepy thing. Doesn't look anything like Slender. It's like... It's like Predator versus Aliens. It's like that. Looks like that, but it shakes his head. Like twitches his head. Someone's been captured. Did you hear that? Faintly. Dude. Just everybody's girls. Oh my god, she's wandering off. We're at an end. Oh, the ghost can't see. Oh, he's over here. The ghost also can't see the enemy because he killed you. You're probably like, I don't know, but you can see the players. The players can see you, but you can't see the enemy at all. I think you turn your flashlight off like, yeah, X. I'm just starting to learn this game because it's been ages. Stop nodding your head to the beat and get on with the game, okay? I don't mean cramps, dude. sometimes you like to save your light because your light battery runs out. So, dude, do you hear that? That's him. That's the monster. You hear him? Right, come on, everybody, this way. Come on. You know I'm not the leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Leader. Can't say it properly. That statue better not teleport again. Also, that monster, except from the statue, can teleport. Is also. It's like a jump scare game. Like Slender. A bit like Slender. We're close. We're close. Oh, he caught me! He caught me! No! He caught me! He was behind me. Right, now I'm a ghost. That sucks. There you are. Oh, you can't sprint as a player as well. That sucks. He got me. I didn't even know where he was. Well, kind of made me jump. Right, they're running away from him, I can guess. I'm guessing they're running away. Yeah. The monster, what the monster does to you, it captures you and turns you to stone. A bit like Medusa. Don't worry, it's not Medusa game. It's not. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm right behind you. Oh no, sprinting. Hello. Woohoo! Come on, we gotta go this way. Right, if I see... Where'd they go? If I see one of them die, hopefully I'll get it on footage. It also shows you where the maps, you know, where... At the end of the game it shows you... Oh, we got one! We got one! Well done, dude! Well, girl. Do that. Oh, the windmill. Right, now it's... Now Shice is starting to get really good. So why are we all in a big... Oh! Yeah, they're all looking at me. You can't stop looking at me, looking at me. I think that's what she's listening to. Right, hear that? That's the sound. Oh! They saw them, they got scared. That's where they saw him. They got scared. You know, the player screams when they see him, so they're running away from him right now. See, I can't see him, he's probably behind them. There's another tape recorder here! I remember! This might go on forever, I don't know. It's already been 8 minutes. There's a tape recorder out. I think I also can't see the tape recorders. No. It's down this alleyway. I think we've been here. Yeah, we just went in a gigantic circle. No, dude, don't want to join the party. Making a vid here. Okay, Brendo, dude, where are you going? Are you running? I can hear someone. Why are you all following me? I'm not the leader. Follow the leader, leader, follow the leader. Follow the leader, leader, follow the leader. It's like, you've got like super thermal x-ray vision when you're a ghost as well, so that's a good thing. You don't just have like a flashlight. Just... Oh! Someone saw him! They saw him! They saw him! Yeah! Oh my god! They keep on seeing him! Run, run, run! Guys, run! Where'd they go? Come on, they all saw him. They all saw him. They all saw the monster and just ran for it. Leg it! Guys, leg it! Don't sprint! Don't sprint! No, you're leaving me behind! Alright, come on. Where are we going? Susie, where are we going? Bill? Bill, do you know where we're going? Alright, this way. I think Susie chose first. Now it's Laura. Yeah, Laura chose. And we're back at the windmill. Oh, come on. We're just going in gigantic circles here. Oh my god, I can go through them. I'm a ghost. Whoa. Try to just long nose. Why don't we just go across here, guys? Super safe. No, we can't. We could go over these rocks, well, though. Susie, Bill, Laura, it's just us. Oh, Bill, Luke, Susie, and Laura is just them. I'm just a ghost. Come on, Laura. Do you see him? There's that statue. I don't get hurt by it. Here's that statue. If you look at it, it captures you. The monster captures you. Maybe I saw that statue, but didn't realize it. Oh. Oh, it killed one. I missed it. One got captured. See? Look. He's stone now. You see? He's stone. That's what happens. Alright, these guys are leaving me behind. I'm pressing it. Ah! Oh, one got scared. They're running. They're legging it. They're legging it, yeah, you can see the ghosts as well. Ooh. Oh. That could run for wars. Let's carry on. Oh my god, 12 minutes. Don't think I'm gonna do it. Come on, finish the game. Everybody die! Just die! Oh, one got captured! See? To stone. It's stone now. Now it's 3 ghosts. Right, there's only one left. Susie, you're the smartest person I know. Now make us a house. Oh my god, there's a blooming hand. Another blooming hand. My god! Someone reaching out at us. Is it God? Come by car, my lord. Come by car. That's what I say. Come by car. Oh my god, 12 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna have 30 minutes. I think I should end it. Susie, die! I think, yeah, she's legging it. Oh, there's the statue again. No, it's not. It's a tree. Statue's there. Right, she's legging it. There's nowhere else to go, Susie. Oh, there is. We're back at the log trimmer. She saw him. She's making a run for it. Go, Susie! Bet she's gonna get captured right here. Go, Susie! Susie? Susie! She's not listening to me! Susie! No. Hello? Yeah, now she's listening. There's that freaky thing again, the statue. Susie, where are you going? Susie! Susie, you ruined it for the video! But I don't want to be videoed! Well, you've gotta live with it! Susie! I think she's making a run for it. I think... Yeah, that's her dead body. Well, that's someone's dead body. That's my dead body. No, it's that to do with the massive fringe. It's just me and Susie now. She's soon gonna get captured. Right. Yeah, she's running back to me. Alright. It's just us 3 now. There's a dead body. Oh, it's all of us now. Right, look at the statue for so long. Or is that a recorder? I think it's a statue. Alright, we've already done this before, Susie. Do you want to do it again? Okay. Oh my god, 5 minutes. Don't think I'm gonna do it all. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, smack that like button in the face. So, only one thing left to say, and that's bye, Susie.